Fancy seeing you back here. Welcome back to Strong Equine. We're here to introduce you to our second PTO implement at Strong Equine, a new 70-year-old small square baler. So it is a New Holland 268 model or serial number 6515. We're going to lube this baler up, and it hasn't been greased in a while, and we're going to put it to work right away. Oh, the nipple came right out. We got a slight problem here, people. Just give us a minute. So our problem here is that the grease nipple came right out of the fitting. Looks like it's a thread in. We'll have to get that fixed. First repair. So, grease is your friend. So we're ready to fire the tractor back up, and we're going to grease all these fittings while it's moving. Please don't attempt this at home.
Don't do this at home.
And with that, I think we're done greasing.
Wiggling it around the corner here. Squeezing it in. And we're gonna start trying to feed some hay into it here. Got us a nice round bale. Let's turn her into squares.
So we are going to turn this large 1,000-pound round bale into many small square bales.
It's a little
By
bit less
hand.
than 800 or 1,000 pounds.
It's
Sorry.
less than 1,000. It's probably around 700. Thank
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
camera lady.
Okay, sorry. Keep going. Continue.
Stay tuned for next episodes, and watch out for our new rebranding channel.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching Strong Equine.